Welcome back to the PLG 123. This is episode 64 and today's tab is about Tango. Let's dive in. Tango just launched to much fanfare on Product Hunt. That's because the product is here to solve a universal problem, which is showing people how to use software. Let's say that you just joined a new company. Your old company used Salesforce, but your new company uses HubSpot. Got to figure out how to use it. Or just as common, maybe you have used HubSpot before, but how does this team use HubSpot? What do I need to know about our instance? So if you're in the position of needing to help somebody with these questions, what's the state of the art? Well, a popular but terrible option is to manually build out a guide, writing each step and illustrating it with screenshots, perhaps in Google Docs or something like that. To be clear, this approach totally works, but it is an incredibly heavy lift to put together. Lots of tedious screenshotting and annotating, lots of detailed writing. And then what happens if the vendor changes design or adds features in their product? It's painful to me to even think about keeping a document like that up to date. So this is where Tango comes into the picture. They describe their product as instant documentation, which lets you make how-to guides with screenshots in seconds. First off, I love this messaging. Calling it documentation is perfect because this should function like the SaaS version of developer docs. So how does it work? Well, let's say that you want to know how to post a video on LinkedIn. I just happen to know that trick, so I can record the workflow in Tango and show it to you. First off, you have to have the Tango Chrome extension. And once you're on the right site, you click capture workflow, looks like a record button, and then you kind of just do your thing like normal. So for me, uploading a video, I do it all the time, click around a little bit here, normal steps, normal process, and eventually, boom, you're done. In less than a minute, I created this guide with virtually zero real work on my part. It's got all the steps, as you can see here. It automatically added the annotations and descriptions. And you saw me, all I did was click around on the page. It's so easy to record a workflow that you barely need to use your brain. And that's a good thing, but it's an extremely hard thing for a product to achieve that level of simplicity. Well, that does it for today on the PLG 123. Make sure to follow me and tune in tomorrow for another new tab.